Welcome! In this video, we are going to take a look at problem 36. It is from the Chapter 3 Review Exercises of College Algebra by OpenStax. Okay, and we need to find f composed with g of x and g composed with f of x for the pair of functions. We will start with f composed with g of x. Well, this is f of g of x. So the input to f is going to be g of x. And so we are going to replace g of x with its definition, and its definition is 5x plus 1. So everywhere we see an x in the definition of f, we're going to put a 5x plus 1 instead. So we have x squared. So we will have 5x plus 1 squared instead. Then we have plus x, and so that's going to be plus 5x plus 1. Okay, so this is 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 1, and then we have a plus 5x plus 1. So if we FOIL that, we get 25x squared. We'll have a plus 5x and a plus 5x for plus 10x, and then a 1 times 1 for plus 1. Then we have to add on 5x plus 1. Okay, so we have 25x squared. We have a 10x and a 5x for 15x, and a 1 plus 1 for 2. So that's our final answer for f composed with g at x. Okay, and now we need, I think we can fit it in right over here, g composed with f of x. And so this is g of f of x. And so this time, the input to g of x is going to be f of x. And so we have g of, we look at the definition of f of x, it is x squared plus x. And so now everywhere we see an x in the definition of g of x, we replace it with x squared plus x. So g of x is 5x. So instead of x, we have x squared plus x, and then we have a plus 1. So we end up with 5x squared plus 5x plus 1. And that's our final answer for g composed with f of x. I hope you found that helpful and informative. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.